Good evening, friends. This is my first video based on Aneka. First of all, we will download the Aneka tool from Google. Aneka tool for download. Type it. Then we will move to Mahindra software was developed the Aneka tool. Then go into the website. Is there? Click on downloads. Then download button is there. Free registration download is Aneka 3.0 is the major version. 2.0 also available. Then 3.0 free registration and download. Click on that. Name, give your name. I give example appreciation. And also email. I give my email, phone number, register. Waiting for that one. Is there one message is available? Message is come. Then the link was sent to your mail, and check it once your mail is opened. My mail, this is my mail ID. I am signing into this one link came into the picture. Then click on that link. The Aneka tool was downloaded. This link, click on that. The size is 35.86 MB. Then click on the start download. Then it was downloaded. Double click on that, the downloaded file. Double click on that. After download, we double click on that. Then that will be installed in your PC. After that, 1 second. Okay, that was successfully completed. Goes to where downloads are programs. Then Aneka 3.0 install. Then in this file, we click on the double link. We click this software. Then it will be installed in your PC. The installation is completed. Click on the next button and finally finish. Then goes to all programs. Is there Mahindra soft? Is one folder came into picture. In this Aneka Management Studio is one file is there. In the machine has multiple IP addresses. It's warning message. Okay, it was I want to file repository share installations. It was okay. Art update the URL. Okay, this will be tell after the installation completion. First of all, softwares Mahindra soft. In this sample program, whenever the Aneka tool was successfully installed or not, then we check it in the click on the mandel board. It was successfully run. Then it was successfully installed in your PC. Okay, it is the one to run this one. Click on this link, this button. Then it will be ask localhost and it's take default 9090 port number, the administration password is not required. Okay, current credentials. It has error, some error. Okay, why? Because we can modify some files whenever the Aneka was perfectly perfectly to run. Okay, it was not responding, it is there. Okay, it is not successfully running. Okay, close the program, then okay, close it. Whenever the files is aneka.config.except one file is there. Okay, and also license file also there, spring.config also there. These three files we will modify, and first of all we will modify this aneka.config. Okay, is you have connected to the internet access or LAN, whatever it may be. Is the I have local connection, is the properties. No, I click on the details. I have the IPv4 address. Okay, this address will be copied to this index service URL. Okay, the IP address 192.168. Okay, 192.168 42.172 42.172. Okay, save it and copy the same IP address. Okay, then open the spring.config file. Okay, spring.config. Then in this URI, reporting service URI, is the properties there. Okay, these property we will we will paste it the IP address, same IP address which the LAN or modem are located, and also is the object name socket messaging factory. There also the IP address could be changed in this area also. Okay, remember that. Okay, then successfully change it, save it, and then these file and aneka.config files and also license, you have to buy the Aneka tool, then you will get the license file. Okay, this license file also default it will be is the 30 days trial pack only. Okay, whenever we buy the Aneka tool, then only you have got original license file. Okay, these three files are copied, then it will be pasted in program files. Mahindra Soft, there Mahindra Soft is there. Mahindra Soft Aneka 3.0 is the runtime, repository, container. In this area, in this file container folder, then only we will paste the Aneka license file also already available. Then copy and replace. Spring config also there, then copy and replace. Okay, then copy and replace, then refresh. In this container folder, first of all we will successfully Aneka was run, then only first of all we start the hosting console. Okay, aneka.hosting.console exe file is there. Then we double click on this, then Aneka server, Aneka was be run. Okay, Aneka run as administrator. it is automatically run. Which one? Okay, after that go to all programs, click on the Mahindra software, and the samples is the Mandela belt. Then it will be successfully run. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any other information, the all video series is all available. Then go to next video. Okay. Thank you very much for seeing this video. Okay.